I'm having a full confusion about to start to learn either Java full stack or Python full stack. So which one has more job openings and which one has a better career growth now and in the future as well? Sir, can you clarify this doubt? Which one should I learn? Either Java full stack or Python full stack. So I am going to clear your doubt in this session. So watch till the end of video. First, let me tell you who is a Java full stack developer. A person who is using a Java programming language as a backend technology, and front-end frameworks are like React or Angular or Vue or anyone. A person who are using Python programming language as a backend programming language, and front-end technologies are JavaScript or any front-end framework. So those people are nothing but Python full stack developer. So let me tell you which full stack developer is using in the software industry to develop the software projects or IT projects. To develop web applications or enterprise application or mobile applications, so most of the companies are prefer to use Java full stack only, guys. So there might be several reasons are there why you are using Java full stack only. Because of Java programming language supports platform independent programming language, and it is a robust programming language, and it also provides better performance and scalability compared to Python programming language. Therefore, many of the IT companies, they are prefer to develop their web applications or enterprise applications or large scale applications, then they are preferring Java programming language only compared to Python programming language. Where Python programming language mostly used in software development projects, where projects required to automate the task, and where the projects required for data analysis purpose and for data analytics purpose, Python programming language mostly used to implement such kind of projects only. Therefore, I highly recommend you, if you are working for data analyst role or data science role, artificial intelligence engineer or Power BI developer, well, better to focus on to learn the Python programming language. We are mostly used for data analysis purpose. Python programming language used in such kind of projects only. So therefore, I highly recommend you. So there are more job opportunities are there for Java full stack developer only compared to Python full stack developer. So by using Python, only few projects only they are developing web applications or enterprise applications because of its performance issue. Now let's talk about what is the future scope of Java full stack developer at the same time Python full stack developer. Believe me guys, there is a huge career growth and a huge scope is there for Java full stack developer only. Okay, so to develop the web application or enterprise applications, salary wise also you can expect a high package for Java full stack developer only. So of course, Python programming language also one of the most demand programming language worldwide. But where we are using most of the companies, where the job requirement is like data analysis and data analyst purpose or data science or data engineer, where we have to perform some automation task. Okay, in such kind of projects, most of the times we are using Python programming language. Yes, you can expect a better package and a high package as well, Python programming language as well, but you have to learn some additional skills as well along with Python technology. But I can say one thing, if you know only Python programming language, then there may be only few job openings are there. Some most popular IT jobs in the current market along with Python programming skills, then you will get more job opportunities and you can expect a high package as well. So my conclusion words are for this topic. So Java full stack developer has more job openings compared to Python full stack developer, and career growth wise also Java full stack developer has a better career growth compared to Python full stack developer. Okay, so that's all guys mind. I hope you like this content very much. So if you really like this video, then don't forget hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. Okay, so we'll meet with one more useful and grateful content. Thank you very much.